great ride, lots of bikes out, which is really cool to see. It just started pouring. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of That Sportster Life. It's a beautiful morning here today in Sault Ste. Marie, and I know it's been a minute since I did a riding video, so that's what we're gonna do today. It's about, I think it's September 5th today, so leaves are just starting to change. So we're gonna head up the Searchmont Highway and then through Goulais and possibly make a stop for lunch. So as you know, if you're from the area, if you ride, the ride to Searchmont is beautiful. Leaves are changing. It's a good time to go, and it's not so hot, unless it's today. Today is about 26 degrees already, and it's only 10:15 in the morning. So we're gonna head out, stop for gas, and then hit the highway. I will see you guys in a bit. Enjoy the ride. Hey guys, so as you can see, we made it to Searchmont Resort. It's a pretty nice spot. Used to come here snowboarding when I was younger, in my teen years. Something I always wanted to get back into, but maybe this year, we'll see. Just need something to do to pass the time when I'm not riding and on the bike. I hope you enjoyed the ride out. As you can see, the leaves are just starting to change, so it is a little bit early for the fall riding season. But the ride out, again, it's just something I really enjoy. Just nothing beats just going through the turns and got your favorite music playlist on and the rumble of the engine underneath you and the wind. Just something that you're not ever going to get in a cage. But yeah, it's a great ride. I try to do it at least once a year, usually in the fall, because that's the best time to do it. It's not too hot and the leaves are changing, and it's a great time to do it. So yeah, that's that. And next we are going to we're gonna head back, and I think we're gonna take the Bellevue Valley Road and go through Goulais. Like I said, we're going to stop somewhere for lunch. Well, I can't remember the name of the place. It's in Goulais somewhere. It's just a little chip stand. I hear it's really good food. So, I hope you enjoy the ride when we get there. Or the ride to there, I guess I should say. Yes, that's it. Alright, well, I'll talk to you in a bit. guys, so we made it back to town, back to the zoo, or Sault Ste. Marie as they like to call it. So as you can see, the place I wanted to visit, apparently it's called Granny's Fish Shop. Sorry, Granny's Chip Stand, whatever, something like that. It was not open today, so I chose to go to Frenchie's Fish House instead. It's nice here. They got a covered patio and it's licensed as well, so that was kind of nice. I stopped for a fish sandwich and beer. Just kind of wet the whistle a little bit. If you're in the area, they have the best fish sandwich in town. You should probably check it out. So yeah, it was a great ride. Thank you again for coming along. It was funny on the way home. I was talking, just thinking about how my music playlists vary so much. Everything from like local music, from the inner city surfers, from the Sioux, Rancid, the Sounds. It's like such a crazy variety, 80s music, everything. But yeah, it's just awesome just putting a helmet on, listening to some music and going for a long ride. Let me know what you like to listen to when you ride. I use a Bluetooth and put on all kinds of music, as you can see. Yeah, let me know what your favorite songs are in your playlist. Put a comment below, let me know. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and hit that bell for notifications as well. Alright, cheers guys, you just have an awesome day. Ride safe, rubber down.